This is a one-day workshop on improving content for development organized by the Lagos State Technical and Vocational Education Board, Lastveb, for selected teachers of technical colleges in Lagos State. The teachers were taught how to use Microsoft PowerPoints and Google Slides to teach their students for effective teaching and learning.
We have an illustration of a house here. Then here we have the introduction. We studied the importance of measuring and carrying out various plumbing tasks at the same time. So this picture basically explains all these things here. So someone that is reading all these things here will understand that, okay, this is how the pipe fittings actually looks like.
The Executive Secretary of the Board, Mrs. Runke Aziz, says the training is part of Lastveb learning system strategy, especially with the outbreak of COVID-19.
It means that we must ensure that our own teachers are well trained, they're well motivated, and when it comes to IT, they have to be competent in order to be able to deliver that high-skilled, quality, technical education. And you know, what COVID has really taught us is that if something like this was ever to happen again, we must be prepared. And one of that preparation is making sure that the teachers are very ready for any eventualities like what we had before. And that is making sure that they are equipped.
She added that the board will ensure teachers upload learning content online for easy access by students.
We're going to upload as much as possible onto our learning management platform so that the students can go online and look at it. The teachers themselves or the instructors, they too can always be uploading new content onto our learning management system.
The teachers say the training will help them interact with their students better and pass information in a more concise manner.
I've learned on how to improve on my content development, on my lesson plan. And I've also learned a lot about the 4 C's, connecting to my learners, how to bring life into our lesson plan, how to make it lively for the learners. Due to the distraction nowadays, how to engage them and how to bring out the best in them.
It's about the interaction, how to interact closely with students to know their major area of needs at learning. Because some students, I observe that personally to me, that their level of mentality of grabbing what they've been taught is low. So during interaction, we can be able to detect those points of their challenges and how to tackle them within the classroom.
Basically, this helps the teachers to be able to define their work for their students. So basically, it's important for them it's important in terms of ensuring that they have this connection with their student, because most students now, they don't like reading, so they need something that is more informative. So this will help the teachers explain their point in a more concise and effective manner, and of course allow the students to be hungry to want to learn, because as they say, designs make the user to want to learn more. So this will help the teachers to bring out their topic in a more simpler and a more simple manner for their students.
With this training on content for development, teachers are expected to provide different aspects of teaching in order to make learning interesting and memorable for the students. About 150 teachers were trained, and the board says teachers in all the 5 technical colleges will be trained continuously for maximum output.